Pinadala to ni G para ma-evaluate daw. So far naman, power crop, subok na natin, okay naman. Can you put your finger here? Let's see how strong your fingers are. Ah, okay ah. Ganda mo ah. Pino ah. Oh, ah. What's the difference between the engine speed and the motor speed?
That's fast.
Or what is that?
Tahimik oh.
4,500 and this one is 6,700.
Ah, okay. So that's 4,500. Yeah.
That's Black and Decker edition.
Oh yeah. Well, it's good actually for DIY jobs, for small things, but you can't use it on like heavy for heavy duty work.
And test it.
This has a very fast RPM.
Yeah. Ngayon, kailangan natin palit yung talin pare para matesting natin kasi pangkahoy ito eh.
Ah, di ba yan ano? Sir?
Yeah. Pangkahoy. Brother, can you do the honors of replacing the blade?
Ang wood pa na to.
The wrench is there.
Ah, pino pala ang sa ano.
Want me to plug it in? Huh?
Facts.
Ah,
Test it.
there are a lot of things that can be cut here. You just make sure it doesn't have any nails, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Adjust it.
Ay, makapal sir.
Oh, yung 6mm natin, may retaso pa. Ah, ito.
Ayun.
Ito, magandang testingin. Oh, YC17. How's the crack doing?
All better.
All better. Teka. Never attempt this at home, kids. No goggles, no safety gloves, no ear protection. That's what you call balls of steel. Smooth oh. Oh. Smooth.
Oh, smooth oh.
That was easy.
Sige.
What do you think?
And very smooth.
Yeah, I think even your belly thinks it's smooth, eh? Yeah. Do another one.
Another one. Another one.
Yeah. Just use the one we cut off as pattern.
Alright.
7/8 of an inch. The reason I told you to cut it 7/8 of an inch is because we can use it as a bracket for the casement and the casement windows we're assembling. See, Powercraft na carbide blade, 120 feet. Tapos, meron pa tayo Powercraft na blade.
good. Pretty good.
Pretty good, eh?
That's sharp.
Fantastic.
Power crap.
So yan, Powercraft.
Pwede pala natin ilagay ng
Pag magsisimula ka ng negosyo, wala na aluminum, o kahit sa kahoy, okay din to eh. Ito nga yung free na blade, sa nabun, wala. Ayun, pang kahoy ito eh. Ngayon, itong blade niya na to, ayan, pwede rin yan sa kahoy. Again, kids, don't try this at home. Wala.
Very smooth.
You know why? Amaze me. No, because it's high speed.
High speed. Very sharp. Like it should be when you're cutting precise. So it's good. Smooth, like butter.
ganda naman. No?
The fence is very high. Although you have to
Yeah. Parang pwede kang gumamit lang ng C-clamp dito eh.
Oo.
Pagka yung may kakatin na. Clamp
Oo
dito,
nga.
clamp dito.
Oo.
Pwede.
Meron naman nabibiling clamp na yun, pinipis. Wala kang marereklamo eh. Sa presyo niya, sa quality ng pagkakagawa, sa ganda ng motor, sipin mo, 7,000 pesos lang.
feel heavy.
Oh, introductory price nga lang yan.
Duty.
Heavy duty, says the booby. So, Powercraft. Oo. Hindi, ang vibration kasi, niyan, ganito eh.
Parang hindi nakakatakot gamitin to eh.
Hindi, tsaka, tinan mo yan nga yung nirereklamo lagi ni,
Nilagay nila dito ang motor pala ni Casareno, kaya pala iba ang banat nito.
ayo,
Galing.
kaya pala hindi siya nagbabibrate. Look, it's balanced.
The motor is not
Unlike
direct.
this one, direct drive, it's
Yes,
on the side.
tayo-
On the side.
Kaya
This,
pala,
yung pala yung sinasabi ni Uncle Pogi. Si Uncle Pogi pala siya yung may-ari ng Fine Line. Although alam natin lahat tayo may-ari, pero isa yung may-ari talaga ng Fine Line.
sabi ko, ba't hindi nakakatakot? Pagka
Yun yung sinasabi niya. Sabi niya, brother, yan? Belt driven.
Oh.
So, yun yung advantage ng belt driven, no? Kaya mo, Pino, tapos less yung vibration. Hindi katulad nitong isa, yung nandito, direct drive siya. So, yun yung nirereklamo lagi ni Wags. Sabi niya nga, ang hirap itono kasi nga kailangan pag nagtabas, ang laki ng nakakain. Pang ano rin to, pang matatapang, tinan mo, walang guard, wala lang, no? Pang totoong tao to.
Pansagaran ng bala yan, sir.
Oo.
Eh.
Hindi ko hawakan yan. Kasaksak eh. So yan, evaluate na natin ang Powercraft.
Maganda,
no?
maganda.
Wala kaming masabi. Kumbaga, for its price point, wala kang marereklamo.
Lagay pala na.
Quality, after sales and everything, wala kang marereklamo. Okay to. Saka yun nga, kaya sabi ni Wagster kanina Pino Bakit? Kasi nga, 6,700 revolutions per minute. 6,700 RPM, mabilis yan compared sa ibang brand. Pero again, kahit na ano pang tibay ng tools nyo, remember, maintenance. Tulad niyan, pagkatapos gamitin, linisin yung mga rebaba kasi mag-stock up yan Pag nag-stock up yan dyan, wala. Talaga may iinit yung makina, mahirapan.
Ganyan, bubuga ng hangin, sir.
Oo. Tapos yung kailangan lang isa ng konti or grasahan, mga moving parts niya. Tapos ang maganda pa rito, tinan mo, may patungan ng kamay. May patungan ng kamay. So pwede mo yan, parang ata hand activated, gagawin mo yung kamay. Hindi, biro lang, gagawin niya. Bawal ang kamay dyan kasi malapit sa talim So dapat doon kayo sa labas. Interested kayo, lalagay ko dyan mamaya mga contact details kung saan kayo makakabili nito. And I think meron din silang online na page No, ngayon, kung gusto nyo ng training, ibubook nyo yun. Medyo mahal lang ang training kasi galing pa ng US yun. Ay, zoom mo nga. Yan ang expert natin sa power tools The Wagster. May mga pormahang ganyan. Patay kayo per arang bayad dyan. Okay. Babu.